In this material, you will learn about next functionalities of the Model tabs. Hotkey F9. You can get there from the main status F1 page by pressing the manual calibration F9 button. If you are interested in the information we are talking about in KME Academy, we invite you to subscribe and enable notifications so that you get information about the publication of the next part. Below the model chart, there is an additional window, which can present a view of the recorder or map, F10. This is useful when calibrating the system, where you can make model changes at the same time and observe their impact on the parameters recorded by the recorder or gas map. To change the view, right-click the bar that separates between the model and the secondary window and select the desired view. The bar will turn green when the mouse cursor is on it. By holding the left button on the blue bar and moving the mouse cursor up or down, you can resize the view. By double-clicking the blue bar with the left mouse button, the default view size is restored. Remember, the sizes of the model view and the recorder map view depend on each other. By zooming in on the model view, the view of the recorder map is reduced and vice versa. You can also hide the view of the recorder map completely by moving the blue bar to the bottom edge of the program. Side panel of the model with its options, as well as panels in the additional view of the recorder in some page map, can be hidden or shown by clicking the buttons with arrows, which are located between charts and panels. There are 3 ways to make changes to a model. With the mouse, navigation buttons located on the right side of the chart and keyboard. The first step is to mark the point of the model that we want to change. To do this, you need to click on it or in its vicinity with a mouse. The active point changes its color to white. Remember, when the auto jump option is activated, the program automatically activates the current points, and you do not have to click on them with the mouse cursor. When any point is active, i.e., its color has changed to white, a yellow box will appear above the model with 2 cancel and save buttons. Remember, the window with these buttons will not appear when the automatic model save option is selected. You can change the model with the mouse as follows. By left-clicking on the selected point and dragging it, you can change its coordinates on the model. By right-clicking on model space, you can add a new point. Remember, up to 15 model points can be inserted. Holding down the Ctrl key and clicking the left mouse button on a given point. This deletes the point. To save changes to the model, click Save or Enter. Remember, saving the model changes will delete the collected gas map. To undo any model changes, click Cancel or ESC. You can change the model using the navigation buttons as follows. To select the next or previous point, click on the buttons with double green arrows. To change the position of the selected point, click the appropriate button with a single green arrow. To add a new point, click the green plus button. A new point is added halfway between the selected point and the next. To remove the selected point, click the button with the red cross. Using the navigation buttons on the right side of the model can be useful when using touchscreen devices. You can change the model using the keyboard as follows. To select the next or previous point, press Ctrl plus right-left arrow. You can move the position of the selected point using the keyboard arrows. To add a new point, press Insert. A new point is added halfway between the selected point and the next. To delete the selected point, press Delete. To save changes to the model, press Enter. To undo any changes to the model, press ESC. You cannot save or undo changes using buttons or keyboard shortcuts when the automatic model saving option is selected. If this episode was helpful to you, we invite you to subscribe and enable notifications so that you get information about the publication of the next part. In the next episode, we will tell you about the Map F10 tab, Calibration tab Map F10. Greetings KME Academy team.